Okay, we're doing problem 14 from section 5.5. It says use each pair of points to write the equation of a line in point slope form and then the equation in slope intercept form. So point slope form says we have y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So we need the slope, and then we pick a point and we put it in here. So it doesn't matter what point we can pick, it just matters what y and x value you have. So let's find the slope. So remember, we have our x values. We have our x, y, x, y. We can go x1, y1, x2, y2, y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. Remember, you have to do it in that order. These are the x2, y2, and x1, y1. So now we have 5 minus negative 2, change subtraction to addition, negative 2 to positive. 5 plus 2 is 7, subtraction to addition, 5 to a negative. Two negatives are like adding two positives, so 2 plus 5 is 7. Two negatives make a negative. 7 divided by 7 is negative 1. So the slope is negative 1. So all I have to do for the point slope form is plug in the m and then pick my x1, y1 value. It could be this one, it could be that one, it doesn't matter, it'll still work. So let's say if I choose this one, since it does say x1, y1, we go y minus y1 is negative 2. M, we found out, was negative 1. X, and then x1 is 5. That's the first answer. That's my point slope form. Now what we have to do is find the point or the slope intercept form. So all I have to do is actually just simplify this and get y by itself. So let's simplify it. There's two things I see that I really don't care for, the subtraction and the parentheses. So let's change subtraction to addition, this to a positive, so we got y plus 2. Change this subtraction to addition, this to a negative. Distribute that negative. Negative 1 times x is negative 1x. Negative 1 times negative 5 is positive 5. We're almost there. We have to get y by itself. So since y has to be alone, everything around it goes away. So the thing that needs to go away is this 2. To get it away, we subtract 2 on both sides. So I have to figure out where I have to put that at. Do I put it under here or under the 5? Since this is a number, this is a number, we put negative 2 underneath it. Y is alone. I got negative 1x. 5 minus 2 is 3. Y is by itself, and that's the slope intercept form. Those are my two answers from problem 14.